diaconal ordination, I went to my long-time spiritual director for confession. That was a general overhauling of my life to prepare for the diaconal ordination, you know, to prepare myself well. I made a general confession. So I told him all the sins I committed since I was grade 1. After I finished my confession, my spiritual director looked at me intently and said, "My nickname is Boy. I may not look boyish, but my nickname is only still Boy at 67 years old." And he said, "Boy, there is no saint without a dark past. All saints have dark yesterdays. All saints have skeletons in their closets. The important thing to remember is you are called to be holy, and be holy now." Brothers and sisters, there is no sinner, no matter how bad and wicked, that has no bright tomorrow. In other words, kaya nga, some of you may have a wrong na, ako, gitawag pagkasanto. Ang akong mama, gitawag pagkasanto. Ang akong bugto, nga palikero, drogista, gitawag pagkasanto. Because you may have, you know, your own concept of holiness or of sainthood. But who are saints, by the way? Saints are sinners revised and edited. Diba? Saints are sinners revised and edited. In other words, saints were sinners like all of us here, but they tried their best to live a holy life every day by doing their ordinary duties according to the state of life they are in for God's greater glory. Simple as that. So now I convinced you that you really want to be a saint, that you are called to be a saint. Let's come now to how can I be a saint? Okay? Pope Francis has this to say. Are you called to the consecrated life? This is for the Madre Pari. Are you called to the consecrated life? Be a saint. Be holy by living out your commitment with joy. Are you married? Be holy by loving and caring for your husband and wife as Christ does for the church. Are you, or do you work for a living? Meaning, are you a businessman or a businesswoman? Be holy by laboring with integrity and skill in the service of your brothers and sisters. Are you a parent or a grandparent? Be holy by patiently teaching the little ones how to follow Jesus. Are you in a position of authority? Be holy by working for the common good and renouncing the personal gain. And so on and so forth. Are you a teacher? Most of in here in Sama, there's so many teachers. Are you a teacher? Then be holy by, preparing your lesson plans so well and impart it to your students. One saint, San Jose Maria Escriva de Balaguer, said, and I quote, "For a modern apostle, an hour of study is an hour of prayer. How can an hour of study be an hour of prayer? We cannot do two things at the same time. How many teachers are here? Why you teachers should ask your student to stand up before classes and pray. And then at the end sa klase, you ask also the same student to stand up and pray. Meaning, you begin or gintikangan mo ang imong pagtukdo with a prayer. Sometimes hindi na